If you're seeing the private account lock symbol on X and you want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your account public again so the lock icon disappears from your profile. This is a super quick fix and it only takes a few taps or clicks in your X settings. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy social media guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your X account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. On mobile, it may be inside your side menu, and on desktop, it's usually right there in the navigation panel. Click More to open the full list of settings options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account, privacy, and content controls. If you're trying to remove the lock symbol, this is the section you need, because the lock means your posts are protected and your account is private. Next, use the search bar inside Settings and search for Protect Your Posts. This setting controls whether only approved followers can see your posts. When this option is turned on, your profile shows the lock icon. When it's turned off, your account becomes public and the lock symbol goes away. Go ahead and open Protect Your Posts. You should see a toggle or checkbox that controls this feature. Turn Protect Your Posts off. If X asks you to confirm the change, make sure you confirm it so the setting fully applies. This is the key step that removes the private account lock symbol. After that, refresh your profile page. Sometimes the lock icon disappears right away, but other times you may need to reload the page or reopen the app before the change shows up. Once your profile refreshes, your account should now appear public and the lock symbol should be gone. Just to clear up a common confusion, there is also an optional setting called Protect Your Videos. That option affects how your videos can be used or downloaded, but it does not make your account private and it does not create the lock icon. So if your goal is to remove the private account symbol, the setting you care about is Protect Your Posts. If you want your profile to stay public, just leave Protect Your Posts turned off. If you ever turn it back on, the lock symbol will return because your account will be private again. So the simple rule is this: off means public, on means private. And that's it. You've now removed the private account lock symbol on X by turning off Protect Your Posts. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more X and Twitter tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.